So the goal of the field practice experience is to allow students to develop and utilize some of the skills that they've learned here in the classroom setting and apply them to the field or the real world setting. And also gives them a chance to explore some different areas of public health which they might want to pursue in their career. We're still a smaller program, which means we can have more hands-on working with our students, and our students have more opportunities to explore things in the community.
And I was really excited to start Girls on the Run, but I kind of just saw it as a capstone at first. I didn't really see it more than anything else. With being in the program and being able to go out in your community, you learn more about the community and you learn more about the socioeconomics of the community and some of the problems happening within the community, so you're more easily able to apply what you're learning in public health. And the classes are awesome, but being able to actually use what you learn in classes to apply it to the community is what makes you feel accomplished. I've been very motivated to go to class and really learn more about how to be better for my community partners.
So over the years, we've developed the relationship with public health, bringing students in and helping them to learn things like program administration, working with the elementary school population in the schools. From their perspective, I hope it does give them a chance to really practically apply the things that they've learned in class and see how big of a difference that those classroom theories and practices can really have in the real community.
So the goal of one of these experiences is not just to allow the student to utilize their training. It's also to give back to the community, to work with partners who are implementing public health actions within our communities. And so the goal is that the partner gets as much out of the experience as the student does, and therefore we're actually helping our communities and giving back even during these applied experiences. So we really value our community partners because they give our students a chance to see public health in action.